Good morning, my dear students. So myself, Dr. B. Ranganath, chemistry mentor in IIT JEE and NEET faculty. So students, today I'm going to discuss about JEE main exam pattern for 2022. So here, before going to the examination point of view, you should know the about JEE, how many papers, how to conduct the exams, how many pages. That is the most important point in this examination pattern, students. Knowing the JEE Main 2021 exam pattern is crucial for candidates and students appearing for the IIT JEE exam. Candidates who closely observe and follow the exam pattern will not only be able to prepare study successful study plan, but they can ultimately perform well and achieve better results in the exams. So here, from 2019 onwards, the National Testing Agency (NTA), the National Testing Agency (NTA) has been granted the authority to design and develop the JEE main syllabus as well as the set the exam pattern. Students, before 2019, it will be conducted 2 phases only, like January or April. So now 2019 onwards, it will be changes. Okay, so that's why while there were a few modifications made to the exam pattern in 2019 for the 2021 exam, NTA has yet again introduced some new changes. They are as follows. They are as follows. So here, 4 sessions for the exam instead of 2. Before 2020, it will be conducted 2 phases. So instead of 2 phases, 4 sessions of the exam instead of 2. The paper 1 exam will be held in February, March, April, May. However, paper 2A and paper 2B, that means Bachelor of Architect and B Planning, will be held only twice a year, February and May only. So paper 1, what is the paper 1? Paper 1 will consist of 90 questions, students. 90 questions, where 20 questions will be asked in section A and 10 questions in section B. Students can answer a total of 75 questions, 20 questions in section A and 5 questions in section B for each subject like mathematics, physics, chemistry. Okay, so paper 2A. So that means the Bachelor of Architect and Bachelor of Planning. So paper 2A is only set for a Bachelor of Architect courses. It will consist of 82 questions. 82 questions, total questions, out of which students can attempt only 77 questions. And mathematics is 25, aptitude will be 50, drawing is 20, drawing is 2. The total marks allotted is 400 marks. So paper 2B will consist of 105 questions, students. 105 questions, and students can attempt only 100 questions out of 105. The paper will also be out of 400 marks. Paper 2A and paper 2B will be same marks. Paper 2A and paper 2B candidates can answer any 5 out of 10 questions in numerical value based part in the mathematics session. The question papers will be set in 13 different languages in India. So what are the highlights of JEE main exam pattern? So JEE main mainly consists of 3 papers, will be conducted in 2 shifts, morning and evening, students. Morning and evening. So in paper 1, so BE and BTech for section A. So here section B. In this section A, what is the marking scheme? A correct answer for 4, correct answer for 4, and incorrect answer for -1. Here same in this section B, marks scheme, correct answer for +4, incorrect is 0. Okay, so because of it is a numerical based questions manner, that's why there is no negative marks. Here negative marks is -1. Here question typing is multiple choice questions, but here numerical value. In this, how many questions are given? How many questions you attempted? So number of questions in a paper, each paper like physics, it will be given 20. You can attempt 20. Here chemistry also 20 out of 20. Maths also 20 out of 20. Okay, but in section B, number of questions in paper, 10 questions, you attempted only 5 questions. Out of 10, you attempt 5. Total marks for in this 300 marks. It will given 90 questions, we can attempt only 75 questions in this paper 1. So this is the to observe this paper pattern. So how many questions are attempted, how many questions are given. Okay, so this is the most important thing in this examination pattern, student. Okay, so here paper 2B, paper 2A. What is paper 2A? Bachelor of Architect. In this section A, section B students. Here mark scheming for same, correct answer for +4, incorrect answer for -1. So unanswered for 0. So if you're not attempted means that will be no marks that system. That means 0. Question type is MCQ only paper section A. Section 2B means numerical value. So like here, incorrect answer 0, correct answer for +4, unanswered for 0. So here, how many number of questions given? 20, you attempt 20, 50 out of 20 aptitude questions. Drawing question, you can attempt given 2 and 20 questions. So here, number of questions paper in a section B is 10 out of 5. Out of 10, we can attempt 5 only. So total marks for 400 marks for paper 2A. Okay, so here out of 82 questions, we can attempt 72 only in paper 3. Okay, so here paper 2B for B planning. So same section A and section B. Mark scheming for correct answer +4 and incorrect answer for -1. Here also same pattern, unanswered for 0, question type and MCQs. In section B, mark scheming for correct options +4 and incorrect answers for 0. Here numerical type value. Here only MCQs. So what is the pattern in this? 105 questions in paper 2B, we attempt only 100 questions. Here also paper 2B also 400 marks, paper 3 also 400 marks. Okay, this is the minimum knowledge of paper 2A and paper 2B. Okay, so JEE Main exam pattern 2022, making a scheme for BE, BTech and B plan. The table, the given table provides details for the marking scheme of JEE Main 2022 exam for paper 1 and paper 2. So look at this slide, student. So how to give the mark scheme. So here already you know the correct answer for +4, negative, incorrect answer for -1. You are not attempted means 0. So what is the marks per section? Here to observe the mathematics, 25 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, total 100 marks. Physics also same and chemistry also same. Okay, in this Bachelor of Architect marking scheme is mathematics, 25 questions are 100, 25, 50 questions are 200, and drawing 2 questions 50 marks on 100. Here B planning marking scheme also. Mathematics 25 questions, same 50 questions, and next B planning questions is 25 to 400. So this is the marking scheme of this. So JEE Main syllabus for 2022 Nana. JEE Main paper 1 is must understood physics, chemistry, mathematics Nana. And JEE Main paper 2A is mathematics, general aptitude and drawing skills. Okay, and JEE Main paper 2B means Bachelor of Planning, mathematics, aptitude, planning based questions. So this is the JEE Main syllabus for 2022. Okay, thank you, Nana. Please subscribe and share. Okay, so you can observe the next video, how to attempt JEE, how to apply the online system, Nana. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and share.